next problem is implement the following boolean function by using the PLA. PLA means programmable logic array. Here f1 of ABC equal to min terms are 1, 2, 4, 6 and f2 of ABC equal to 0, 1, 6, 7 and f3 of ABC equal to 2 and 6. First we draw the K map for f1, f2, f3. Okay. Here by using the PLA. In PLA we are AND arrays and OR arrays. Both are programmable here. Okay. First we draw the K map for f1. K map for f1. Here we are using the 3 input variables. So we draw the 8 cell K map. You see here the input variables are A, B, C. This is B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B, C, B, C bar. And this is A bar, A. Min terms are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In given problem, F1 min terms are 1, 2, 4, 6. So 1 indicates the that min terms only. 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay, here we are grouping the 4. This is equation 1, first product term. Here the input variables are A and corresponding to the column wise B bar, C bar. And next we are grouping the 2 and 6. This is considered 2. This is input variables are B, C bar. And next 1. This is third group. A bar, B bar, C. What is the expression for F1? F1 of ABC equal to A, B bar, C bar plus B, C bar plus A bar, B bar, C. Okay, next find out the K map for F2. F2 K map. Here also 8 cell K map. We draw the 8 cell K map. The F2 min terms are 0, 1, 6, 7. So that min terms are essentially 1, 0, 1 and 6, 7. Okay, here we are grouping the 0, 1. This is considered 1. What is the product term here? This is A, B, C. This is B bar, C bar and this is B bar, C. This is A bar. Here A bar and column wise the common variable is B bar is there. So A bar, B bar. And next we are grouping these two. What is the equation here? This is A and this is BC, BC bar. Horizontally we correspond the input variable is A and vertical this is BC, BC bar. B is common variable. F2 of ABC equal to A bar, B bar plus AB. This is F2 equation and this is F1 equation. And draw the K map for F3. K map for F3. Here also 8 cell K map. Here the min terms are 2 and 6. 2 and 6. We are grouping the here. This is BC bar. So F3 of ABC equal to BC bar. Write down the all equations. F1 of ABC equal to A, B bar, C bar plus B, C bar plus A bar, B bar, C. F2 of ABC equal to, what is the equation? A bar, B bar plus AB. And F3 of ABC equal to BC bar. Okay, next write down the programming table. Programming table for PLA. Okay, first we consider the serial number And next product term, and next inputs, and next output. Here the inputs are A, B, C, and outputs are F1, F2, F3. Okay, in serial number first one, what is the first product term? A, B bar, C bar. A, B bar, C bar. A is 1, B bar is 0, C bar is 0. This is F1 output. So, 1 is there, 1 assigns the F1 output. And next, B, C bar. B, C bar. Okay, A is not here in product term, that is dash. B is 1 and C bar is 0. This is F1 output. And next, third output, A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. A bar is 0, B bar is 0, C. This is F1 output. And remaining all indicates the dash dash. And the next, F2 outputs. F2 outputs are A bar, B bar and AB. This is A bar, B bar. A bar is 0, 0, dash. This is F2 output. That's why here we are writing the F2 output is 1. And next, fifth one is A, B. 1, 1, dash. This is F2 output. And remaining all are dash. This is F2 output. And next, F3 output is sixth one. This is BC bar. A is not here, so dash. B is 1, C is dash. This is F1 output. This is programming table for PLA. And next, draw the logic diagram. And next, draw the logic diagram for PLA. Logic diagram for PLA. In PLA, both are programmable. Okay, here the inputs are A, B, C. A bar is there, so we draw the NOT gate. A, B, C. These are the inputs. Here, AND gates are programmable. Okay, the first product term is A, B bar, C bar. First, you draw the AND gate. A. Here, this is A and B bar and C bar. This is what is the output here? A, B bar, C bar. And next, B, C bar. First, you draw the line. This is AND gate. Here, the B, C bar. B, C bar. This is output is B, C bar. And next, A bar, B bar, C. A bar, B bar, C. This is output is A bar, B bar, C. And next, A bar, B bar. And this is A bar and B bar. Okay, this is A bar, B bar. And next, A, B. A, B. This is A and this is B. And next, B, C bar. B, C bar. This is B and this is C bar. Output is B, C bar. These are the AND gates. And we draw the OR gates also programmable. Okay. F1 outputs are A bar, A, B bar, C bar and B, C bar and A bar, B bar, C. First we draw the lines for our outputs. How many outputs here? 3 outputs. 3 OR gates. And this is F1 output, this is F2 output and this is F3 output. Here F1 outputs are 3 product terms. First 3 are connected to the F1. Here all gates are also programmable. And next F2 outputs are next two product terms, that is A bar, B bar and AB. And next F3 is B, C bar. Here OR gates are programmable and AND gates are programmable. This is the PLA.